2:42 a.m. It's gonna be a nice day today. Hey guys, Robin here with Dirt and Iron. It's early morning and today is one of those days that don't happen very often for me, but it's one of those days when I wake up this early and I'm driving kind of far away to have a really nice ride. Looks like we are at Dallas's place. How you doing, man?
Pretty good. How you been?
Pretty good. Hey, let's show us around the garage a little bit here. So what's that right there? What kind of boat do you have there?
GN circle boat.
So what? Tell us something cool, like a big block or whatever, you know, the cool things that you guys say about the boats.
It's got a little 454 big block twin turbo.
Okay. So what do you think the horse is?
800.
Not bad for a little boat, huh? Yeah. Well, how many hours? How many hours you put on the bike since we did it?
4.
How many gallons you burn on these things since we did your bike?
500.
Check that out. Oh my goodness, that looks good. Wow. Probably sounds pretty good too. Wow, look at that.
The neighbors get mad when I fire it up this early.
When we come back. Wow, that's so cool. Full banger. Very nice. And then right here, you building Bronco, right? That's what it is to the left.
Too many projects.
Almost done. Just another year, huh? All right, let's load up and be on our way. We lost our cell phone reception 10 miles ago. That's a good sign. We're getting into some good stuff here. Dallas, what's your feeling so far? Would you be ready to be at work?
You know what? I'm glad I called in sick today.
All right, so we are maybe like 20 miles from a campground. Should reach soon, and we're getting into a nice area. The air is a little bit fresher. Temperature went down, going up in the elevation. I think we're gonna be around 5, 6, maybe even more, 1,000 feet today. So next time I see you, we'll be at the campground. Looks like we are here. Thank God for bringing us all the way here. It took like 4 or 5 hours from my house. So check it out, guys. This is a campground at Sierra Mountains, Kennedy Meadows. Really nice, right?
It's beautiful.
So nice. Look at those trees. The air is really fresh. You can smell these pine trees. Those are pine trees, right? So these are our bikes. You know that Dallas's Husky film on the channel. This is KTM 350. I got it from Jay because it has a spark arrestor, and everything else I have now in the garage doesn't have a spark arrestor, so I had to borrow a bike from Jay. And that hasn't been built yet, so it's the stock KTM, but it should be good. All right, so I'm testing the camera and microphone setup. Dallas's bike looks so good. I envy the guy. I wish it's my bike. This is something a little bit different than what I usually ride, but you guys know from my videos. Here we got these huge trees, no bushes like I usually have around my house. It's really good to get something a little bit different every now and then. And also we should be able to ride like 6-7 hours straight. These street legal KTMs, the 350, they can pretty much do everything on these bikes. Like I would feel good having some kind of 2-stroke like 300 here, but even this street legal 350 feels really good. I don't think we're gonna do a lot of gnarly technical stuff. There are some rocky sections, but not too bad. Click into neutral there for a second. It's fun to try to keep a little bit faster pace. No, you didn't. Did you?
I did.
Oh, you did? Oh,
I heard a beep. So on today's episode of Dirt and Iron,
check out those trees. We're coming out from the forest. It's good. Something a little bit different. Woo, this is tight. Wanna have Dallas in a shot. This beautiful bike. That Husky has a real nice bottom. We just hit it a little bit and get that jump. This 350 is still not open up, not big bore, no vortex, so it doesn't feel the same. But Dallas's bike is so good. Haha, this is nice view. Nice, huh? This is a nice place. We're gonna do a river crossing, probably over there. Middle of the ride, Dallas and Jim. Candy Meadows, second year in a row. This is my favorite spot. It's so nice. So I'm just chilling here on the beach by the water, having some break, like 30 minutes. Took a little nap. Dallas took a picture of me. It's just so nice here. I want to stay. That was pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna jump on this bad Husky 366. How's it going?
Good.
There's this guy and one more.
Alright, cool. This is it.
This is it? Not enough speed to do a little slide to the rear tire. was good. Alright guys, we are back in the camp. Dallas, I have 2 questions for you. First of all, how did you like your new bike on your first real ride?
It's amazing. It like first time we had it out,
Yeah. That was
we didn't really get to use it.
exactly. It was a very short ride, right?
And I rode this thing hard today. And anything I threw at it, it
Yeah.
thoroughly impressed me.
Cool. So we did a decent job with the build, huh?
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, yeah. Also, when I jumped on this bike, man, it felt so good. Like everything felt good. The power from the bottom, you know, jumping, lofting your front over some obstacles was really good. All right, and the second question: how did you like Candy Meadows for the first time?
I'm trying to figure out how I can get back here next weekend.
It's a rather long drive, huh? It was like it took like 4 hours, maybe for me, over 5 hours because I first have to. I woke up like 2:30. No, I woke up before. I was 2:40. I was in the truck. That's when I started the video, 2:40 a.m. And I was at your house 4 a.m. And then we arrived here like 8:20, and we stopped by one gas station to get some food and snacks. So it's a rather longer drive. We're gonna be back home. Like, what time is now? I'll check. It's 4:20. So we rode like what, maybe 6 hours on the bike.
Yeah.
And then we need to drive back home another 4 hours, 8, 9, 10. So I think I'll be home like at 10 p.m.
It's a long day.
Long day, but it was pretty cool. All right, my friends. Well, I guess that's about it today. We are pretty tired. It was a good ride. Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of footage we have on the video. And don't forget, my friends, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.